Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a full eyeshadow tutorial using only the Jaclyn Morphe palette. If you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I already primed my eyes and did my brows off camera, and now I can get started with the eye look. For today's eyeshadow look, it's going to be a whole tutorial using the Jaclyn Morphe palette to create the eyeshadow. To start off, I'm going to go in with these two shades and mix them together to create a transition shade. So while I'm blending this, I just want to talk about a few things. So first of all, I got eyelash extensions, you can probably tell. So it's going to be a little more difficult to do this eye look today just because it's kind of hard to work around the eyelashes and I'm still getting used to it, but the longer I have them, the more used to it I'll get and the easier things will get. But if you would like to see a full video on my eyelash extension experience and what it was like for me and where I went and what I asked for, then just comment down below and I would love to do that for you guys. So I'm just blending the shade all over my eyes, all the way from my crease up to close to my brow bone. To do the transition shade, I used a Morphe M504, and now I'm going to go in with a deeper color using the Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going to go in with these two shades. I'm just going to use these to deepen up the crease, and I'm going to keep this one a little lower than the other shades I used before. I was supposed to upload a video on Friday, but I had an appointment, a makeup appointment with a client on Friday, and I was just so busy that I didn't get to film, and I apologize, but I'm going to try to stay on schedule. It's just so hard right now because I'm going to college and just so many things are going on, and it's hard, but I'm going to try my best to stay on schedule and get as many videos as I can up for you guys. Next, I'm going to take a Morphe M518 brush, and I'm going to take these two shades, I think these two shades, maybe a little of the one in the middle, and deepen up my outer crease. I've been wanting to do a full video on what's in my client kit and what I take with me whenever I do weddings and prom and homecoming makeup. So if you'd like to see that video, then just let me know. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe E18 and go in with those same deeper colors and deepen up my lash line. I'm only putting this color on my outer lash line and my outer corner because we're going to put a different shade on my lid. Next, I'm going to take this flat definer brush. This is a Sigma F75 brush, and I'm going to spritz it with a little Fix Plus. And I'm going to go in with this middle pink shade right here. This is like a pinky duochrome gold color. And I'm going to put this all over my lid, kind of cutting the crease with this. I'm also going to take a little of the shade beside it, that other pinky shimmery shade. I'm just going to put this halfway on my lid and cut the crease with this. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M518 brush again and go in with those deeper shades and just blend the dark shades and the shimmery shade together. I'm just making sure that everything is seamless and everything just goes together. I'm doing the same on the other eye, by the way. Oh, and by the way, while I'm putting this color on my lid, I just want to say to all the girls that are watching this video or watch my videos, anyone that's in high school, I am now taking appointments for homecoming makeup, and message me and let me know when your homecoming is and when you'd like to book me for, or any questions that you have, and I would love to be part of your homecoming day. I also have an idea of doing someone else's makeup on my channel, so filming a client's makeup, or it could be my sister or anyone, just so all of you can see what it's like to do someone else's makeup, and I feel like that would be a fun video. I know all of you don't do other people's makeup, but I just feel like it'd be a fun video and you could see a different side of makeup tutorials instead of just on myself every time. So let me know if you'd like me to do that, and I would love to do that for you guys, and I think that would be a really cool video. A few of you have also requested for me to do a homecoming makeup tutorial, and that is coming soon, I promise. I just need to figure out what look to do. I guess I should figure it out because I'll be going to homecoming this year too, so Now that that's done, I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the any fallout that I got and just clean up the outer edge of this eyeshadow. Okay, now we can move on to the face. First I'm going to take the Stila One Step Correct primer and apply this all over my face. The eyes are pretty much done. I'm not going to be applying any mascara because I just got eyelash extensions and I feel like for one, I don't really need it, and I don't know, it's hard to remove off of the extensions. You can wear mascara, it's just they're so new, I don't want to like make the bond of the glue or whatever come undone, and I don't want to risk it. So I'm not applying mascara today, so that's the top of my eyes done. We just have to do the lower lash line, but first we have to finish the face. For foundation today, I'm going to be mixing the Estee Lauder Double Wear Light and the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Foundation. In the Double Wear Light, I am shade 2.0, and in the Maybelline Fit Me, I am shade 220 Natural Beige. So as I was saying earlier, last week was really crazy because of starting college and everything, so I didn't have time to film on Thursday, and then I didn't have time to film on Friday, so I couldn't get a video up on Friday. And then I tried to film all weekend, but I never had time, so I had to skip last week. I only uploaded one time last week. But this week I'm going to try to catch up and make sure that I get some videos up for you guys. I feel like these foundations work so well together because the Maybelline is more of a light to medium coverage, but I love the finish of it and I love how dewy it is and how glowy it is. But the Estee Lauder Light, or the Estee Lauder Double Wear Light, gives me more coverage, and it's like a satin finish or a dewy finish, so they go so well together. And the Double Wear Light gives me more coverage, but I still get the finish of the Maybelline one. So for concealer and to cover up these awful dark circles that I have, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape. What else? This concealer is probably the most popular concealer out right now, and people are still raving about it, and I can totally see why, because it's amazing. I'm just using a light amount today because I feel like whenever I use more, it creases easily, but whenever I use a lighter amount, just enough to cover my dark circles, it doesn't crease as bad, and it just looks more airbrushed and more natural. To set my under eyes, I'm going to take the Morphe E8 brush and the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder in Petal. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder and the Morphe E41. I want to keep some of the glow the foundation gave me, so I'm just using a light dusting of powder today. Now I'm just going to go over everything with my Morphe Beauty Sponge. Just make sure that it's all melted into my skin and everything looks blended. To bronze today, I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer on a MAC 135 brush and just bronze up the perimeter of my face. The eye look I did today, it's so pretty and it looks so intricate and so difficult to do, but really I only used just a few colors and a few brushes, and it was so quick and easy. And if you're not filming, it would be so much easier for you to do, but I am going to add a pop of color in a minute when I get done doing the rest of my face. For blush, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Blush, and this is in 192 Just Curious. This is the blush that I used in my full face of drugstore first impressions video, and I've been using it ever since, and I really, really like it. Now I'm just going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. For my glow today, I'm going to take the Morphe M510 brush and the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo. This doesn't have a shade name on the back, but it's just a bronzer and highlight duo, and I'm going to take the highlight shade and apply it to my cheekbones. I'm also going to apply a little to my forehead above my brow, a little on the tip of my nose, and on the bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow. I think I'm going to do a date night makeup look soon and maybe vlog when me and Austin go on our date. I think that might be a fun video. If you guys want to see that, then let me know. I feel like that highlight was a little too light for my skin tone, so I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution highlighting palette and I'm going to take the bronzy color and this peachy color and mix them together, and I'm just going to apply this to the very top of my cheekbones just to make it a little more bronzy instead of too light. Okay, so I just got a package in the mail. This is from Sally's, and look at all of the lashes I just got. So many. This is what homecoming season's like. They're everywhere. Okay, now for the fun part. I'm going to take just a pop of color and put it on my lash line. And for this, I'm going to use this color, and I'm going to mix them together. First, I'm going to apply this shade called Jade, I'm pretty sure, and this one called Pool Party over top. And this one's just a shimmier version of this. And I'm just going to add this to my lower lash line just to brighten everything up and make this look a little more fun. First, I'm taking Jade on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to blend this under my lash line from inner corner to outer corner. I actually did this same makeup look on my Instagram last summer, and a lot of you really liked it, so I figured I would film the same video or the same type of makeup look that I did then, but this might be a little different. Now I'm taking that Pool Party shade, that shimmery shade, with the same brush and just apply it over top. Alright guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any requests for video ideas that you would like me to do, then just comment down below and I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Highlighting palette? Ugh. Highlight. Oh no. I just put primer in my eyebrows. Oh no. What?